Hi guys, I'm back with some math. Okay, I was gonna go through some of the pages of your math book with you and kind of guide you through a few of those. So if you want to pull that out, or if you just want to listen to this and then get it out, however it works best for you. But this week we're gonna work on, today I'm gonna start with page 411. We're gonna guide you through some of the adding within 10, right? So that's composing, putting numbers together. So you're going to put your two parts together to find the whole. So on page 411, it looks like this. Okay, hopefully an adult in your house or an older sibling or a parent or someone can help talk you through it. There's directions at the bottom. You're just going to talk about the different addition facts. So for example, I can see right here in the middle, there are some bones. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dark bones, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4 light bones. So I could say that 5 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 9. Okay, and then there's specific directions for you to find a group that represents an addition sentence at the bottom. Okay, so hopefully your family can work through that with you. There's that page, then there's another page in black and white that's just like it. Okay, this is just like what we do in class, right? Then there's also these pages where you're going to look at the number sentence. Okay, so this number sentence says 7 plus 2 equals 9. You're going to find the group over here that represents 7 plus 2 equals 9. And you're going to draw a line wherever that is, okay? So you're going to look at the number sentences, draw a line to the picture that matches that problem. All right? Now, when we move on, there are lots of pages, okay? There are lots of pages that have the problem already written for you. So this one is 7 plus 1 equals, you're going to circle the group, count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together, they equal 8. So you have part, whole. 7 plus 1 equals 8. All right, so you're going to work through those pages. There's lots of them. All right, lots of them. Butterflies, apples, lots of them. When you get to this page, it gets a little bit tricky because right here you have one part, you have to find the other part, okay? So your first part is 5, they gave you that. Your second part is the yellow dots, so you're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. The yellow dots equal 4. Now you need to count how many you have all together. Here's a super cool trick. This is a 10 frame. We know there's always 10 in a 10 frame, right? So you know if your whole 10 frame is filled up, you know your whole is 10. It's a little trick for those of you that are ready for that. All right, so to find your whole or your answer here, you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, and that's where your answer would go here, 9. All right. Just like doing number bonds, but you don't have the number bond. You have a 10 frame instead, or you have animals to count instead. All right, you still have two parts, and you're trying to find the whole. All right. Okay, this one's a little bit trickier. Right here. Okay, you have 8. Your whole is 8. They're asking you to find two parts. You choose the numbers. Okay, I don't know what it says at the bottom, but I'm going to tell you. Yep, I'm going to tell you to find the numbers. Okay, so you're going to, the easiest way to do this is to draw 8 circles. Draw 8 circles so you know that's your whole. Okay, you already know that's your whole. And then color in some, however many you want. I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make that my first part. Okay, so my first part is 3. Now I need to count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know my other part is 5. All right, you might need to watch that part a few times. I went through that fast. Basically, you're going to draw your hole first. So draw 10 circles. Color in some, however many you want, you choose. And then you're going to find the other part. Okay? And if you work through all those pages, you can transfer that information, can get transferred over to your number bonds, right? So you could still do that here. You could do the problem we just did on your number bond, right? I knew that my hole was 10. I knew my hole was 10. Okay, I could draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could draw 10 circles because I know that's my hole. Color in some, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I chose to color in 4. So that's my first part. Then to find my second part, I just count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I know my second part is 6. Okay? So we can say 4 plus 6 equals 10. We're adding within 10 this week, composing numbers to 10. All right, if you have any questions or need help, just have your parents send me a message. I'm happy to help you. All right, talk to you soon.